How to adjust steering wheel Model X 2023. Tesla has reintroduced a round steering wheel option for its Model S and Model X vehicles, following 2 years of criticism regarding the practicality and safety of the racing-style yoke steering. As noted by Electric, the Tesla online configurator for the Model S/X was updated on Thursday, adding the option for a round steering wheel alongside the existing yoke. Selecting the rounded wheel option doesn't impact the price or the estimated delivery timeline. Other Tesla models, such as the Model 3 and Model Y, are already available with a round steering wheel. A controversial redesign for both the Model S and Model X in 2021 ditched the traditional steering wheel and control stalks in favor of a singular yoke option with capacitive buttons. The decision was met with mixed reactions. While some users believed the yoke to be a safety risk, others praised it for providing a clearer view of the vehicle's dashboard. In his review of the Model S Plaid, YouTuber Marks Brownlee similarly praised the yoke for its handling abilities and space-saving design. However, Brownlee found its capacitive touch controls to be unreliable, especially for the turn signals, noting that the buttons were often unresponsive. Sometimes I will try for 10 seconds in a row to press all over this thing, and it straight up won't work. Tesla CEO Elon Musk justified the redesign in a tweet, saying yet another round wheel is boring and blocks the screen. ASD in panoramic mode looks way better with a yoke. Musk also rejected requests from customers to include a rounded wheel option for the Model S and Model X in 2021. While this decision has now been walked back, images of the rounded wheel option on the Tesla site don't appear to show any control stalks returning with it. Instead, there are buttons on the wheels similar to those that appear on the yoke. Tesla's surprise reveal of a yoke-shaped steering wheel for the updated Model S and Model X caught the EV world a little off guard, even if the changes inside the cabin were otherwise evolutionary. The vertical center screen was replaced with a horizontal one, and a new and smaller central screen was added for the benefit of rear seat passengers in the Model S, with Tesla opting not to introduce individual screens into the seat backs for rear seat passengers. The sedan also received some minor exterior upgrades below the belt line, changes that might not be noticeable unless you already own one. The main event, however, was the option of yoke-style steering. The wheel alternatives certainly looks futuristic and may well be legal in the US, absent a contrary NHTSA rule, but it may not be all that practical, especially for those who have not driven a car with this setup before. We imagine that's the vast majority of drivers. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.